Your parents' medical debts can wipe out your entire inheritance if they're not setting up asset protection correctly. So let's say your parents rack up medical debts and they pass away. All of their assets will have to go through the probate process before they get distributed out to you and before you take over the ownership of those assets. And so during the probate process, you will have to publicly notify creditors that your parents will pass away and use assets inside the estate to pay those debts off. So let's say the medical debts that your parents have is larger than the amount of assets they have inside the estate. It will literally wipe out the entire estate, including the home that they're trying to pass down to you. One of the ways that you can protect those assets from this is to put your parents' assets inside of an irrevocable trust. This will give them asset protection from any medical debts that are coming after them. And so what it does is it removes those assets from their personal estate. It takes them out of their name. They do not have control because they cannot be the trustee. They do not have benefits because they cannot be the beneficiary. They are now filing those assets on the irrevocable trust tax returns, therefore removing those assets from their estate. And so when they pass away, you still have to publicly notify creditors that your parents have passed away. And when those creditors are coming after the estate to satisfy the debts that your parents had, they cannot access the assets inside the irrevocable trust to satisfy those debts because they have asset protection from your parents' medical debts. If you want help setting any of this up correctly, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to someone on our team.